When heavy rains come, or snow in this case, and both, then this can fill up about three times its normal depth. This is the first dam. The water goes underneath and comes out into the second pond. So the second pond also maintains about 2 to 3 feet during its normal state. And again, when the heavier rains come, this one can also double or triple its size. Here's the final dam, where it goes into a pool of clear water. It's been filtered several times, and the bottom of that it's lined with river stones. The water comes into the bottom pool, and it maintains the same depth all the time. At the deepest, it's about 3 feet deep. It also has an inlet from uphill going that direction, and the outlet is what controls the depth, which goes under this dam, under the road, and on down the stream. There's an additional inlet that we installed to catch the smaller amounts from up in that direction and into the gardens. In order for this to work, we needed to decide if we wanted to remove a large black walnut tree. We decided that it was worth it. It could be used for firewood, and we made these steps out of it. We used various sizes of rocks and different sands and fillers and silt to create the dams based on the recommendations of the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality. A quick tour of the 3 pools. In addition to the other 3 ponds, while we had the equipment, we cleared out this old aquifer. It's spring fed from right there. Those old rocks in the back were there, but it was all filled in with silt, basically, and sand. So from over there, we had the mini excavator and just reached in as far as possible. There's some nice different algae and things growing in there now, and then we cleared out that.